Good morning, everybody. I'm Jacob Cryptobury. I'm your host today. We're gonna look at Jewel, DeFi Kingdom's native token, which is operating on the Harmony One and Avalanche system since its cross-chain interoperability. And we can see right now the market is kind of just ticking over, fairly green, fairly red in other places. I mean, the blockchain infrastructure still looks pretty solid to me. It's holding fairly nicely. We can see the crypto fear and greed index is just about 37 at the moment. So since DeFi Kingdoms put themselves on the Avalanche ecosystem as well, we've seen a really big pump, and we've had the Crystal Veil update as well as some exciting other things coming out. So 37 on the fear and greed index, we're not looking too bad for the position that we're currently in on a price perspective. And here we can see some crazy news over here. The UK government has asked Royal Mint to create an NFT to make the UK a global crypto asset hub. I mean, that's a bit bizarre. I mean, I'm not going to read through this because I think, of course, it's going to be some sort of centralized NFT. But what it tells me is that the British government are, guess what, ladies and gentlemen, very bullish on Ethereum, because in order to mint the NFTs, you got to have your Ethereum, right? So this is pretty cool. It tells me that the UK government are hodling Ethereum, even though we are the criminals and the money launderers and, you name it. We're the bad ones, right, guys? So what we can see as well, a bit of news on the DeFi Kingdom size, they're bringing out NFT pets. So this is pretty exciting. Imagine you have this little pet right here, Illyrian Liafra. Quite a beautiful little tree ant with purple leaves and little birds flying around it. I mean, kind of cool. I think what's cool about this is because not only do you have the heroes as your NFTs, now you can potentially have some sort of cosmetic or even follower in the game. I assume this is going to follow your hero around in the game, and people get kind of hooked on these kind of things, and trust me, it's no lie. So this NFT pet is really good, and it could be a bit of a price catalyst in the future for all of the other tokens around DeFi Kingdoms. We can see we've still got $439 million locked in. Harmony One, 279 million right there, and there's a lot being staked, and that's what's important. We see on the Harmony One network right here, there's $1 billion locked in, and $439 million is locked in through just DeFi Kingdoms, and 160 million of that is purely on the staking and the farming side of things. So it just shows you how big DeFi Kingdoms really is. We can also see here, looking at the price today, we're up 4.2%, rank 161, chasing that $1 billion market capitalization. Does look good. We've got a lot of volume, $16 million right there. And exciting future ahead for this Jewel token. We see the all-time high was about $20 from January 2022 when we had the big euphoric rush. And looking at the price at the moment, I think the tick has broken. Something's going on here with the $14, as I don't believe that is accurate, but should it be? I just want to talk to you about these two ranges here. We've got so much resistance up here at $17.30, and we also have a massive level of support at around the $14 level. So I think it's very important to look at this particular range that we're trading in. If we can hold this support level, maybe, just maybe, we can bounce off the support, retest the support and get another impulse, retesting resistance, and then break through. Ideally, that would be nice to create these little retracements followed by pumps, retracement and then pump to the upside. I think Jewel is on the trajectory to potentially get an all-time high sometime soon. However, do consider that we are extremely overbought on the 4-hour relative strength index, which is why we're getting this bit capitulation. We've seen a very small correction now, 18% in just the last couple hours. Look at the hourly time frame, you can see so many sell orders were here before seeing continuation to the upside. The volume was massive for DeFi Kingdoms this morning, as we can see right here. Big volume candle, probably the most volume we've had on the hourly time frame for a very long time, maybe since March, and also even January 2022. So very bullish future ahead for Jewel. If you like your Binance Smart tokens as well, do also check out Lucky Block either here or here. Lucky Block is an amazing crypto giveaways and games platform, so check that one out. It's definitely an alt gem on my list, and but I think Jewel is definitely going to be one that stays around. We can see here, just checking out what's going on, top gains of the day. Jewel is plastered all over the place, 6% up here, massive volume, good market capitalization. So keep an eye on Jewel, guys. It's definitely the coin you want to be holding if you're playing the DeFi Kingdoms. So that's my little video today. If you enjoyed the news, if you enjoyed this type of video, please subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment below. See you guys.